Certainly in the R&D and manufacturing we're very unique. Not many companies do that. So we have a highly skilled manufacturing department. We obviously run to very stringent quality systems because we're FDA registered and manufacture medical equipment that we ship to the US. We have a fantastic test department as well, and we have the flexibility to make one product or tens of thousands of products. One of the huge benefits of having manufacturing under the same roof as R&D is manufacturing involved in the design process as well. So products get designed to manufacture as efficiently as possible. Well, right at the start of the project, the manufacturing team, the R&D team, the purchasing department will all work very closely together because it's imperative that a product can be produced at the right cost for commercialization.